Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your projects on Behance. This is actually the second part of a two-part series. In the first video, I walked you through how to present your designs and get it ready for upload. So if you haven't watched that yet, make sure you check it out first. You'll find the link in the description below. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So what I will do is after hero section, I'm going to select all the other sections except the hero section that I created. I'm going to select all the other sections. So make sure you are not selecting hero section with it. Now Ctrl Z. I want to unselect it. Yeah. So I've selected everything else, every other section apart from the section hero section. So I'm going to press Ctrl R, which is a command to rename, to do a bulk rename action. So I want to change the name. I just want to arrange it in I want to change the name to numbers. So I'll just change it to numbers in ascending order. I don't know, maybe ascending or descending. Sometimes I used to mix this thing up. So let's do ascending and see how it goes. Nope, let's do descending. Control R. So number in descending, and we'll change it like that. So we can say we can put a name in front, like say section 1, section 2, section 3, just like that. So that's it. Section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this one is supposed to be section 6, not section 3. Why section 6 is supposed to be section 3? So because of the way they are arranged on the layer panel, that's the way this thing will that's the way this thing will arrange them. So maybe I should do that rename again. So I bring this one to the top. Let's just leave it section 1, section 2. This is supposed to be section 3, so I'm going to correct it manually. While this is section 4. Then section 5. Right? So the hero section, section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. So sometimes it doesn't really matter if you name it, number it or not. This is not going to help Behance to understand it. It is still the way you arrange it that Behance will follow. So, but this is just for organization purposes. So I'm going to select all of the sections, then I'm going to export them. So mind you, when you're exporting, you cannot export a large kind of format like 2x, 3x. Sometimes you can just do 1.5 or maximum 2x. And if 2x is too big, then you can come back and reduce it to maybe 1.5 or 1x. So I'm going to export this because Behance has a maximum size of image that it can take. So we're going to export all of this as PNG. So we're just going to wait for Figma to do that. So I can create a new folder and just keep it there so that I don't get confused. So I can call this one green forest presentation, and I save them all in that folder. So now let's go back to Behance. Now I'll come back to, because I created two duplicates of this tab so that I can have one to make reference to this design and I can have another one. Now as you can see, I also, okay, the same design is opened on both, but there was one other design that I saw that I wanted to use initially before I switched to this one. So this was the first one I saw. So you can also follow this style if you want to, if you don't want to show the typography, the color and the likes. So we'll come here. Now we want to post the design on Behance. So we'll come to share your work and I'm going to select project, right? So project is what I want to do. So why I still left this one open is because there are some things that the person wrote here that I might want to use, right? So I'm just going to go with the format or the way this thing is organized here. So if you notice, this person too did something similar, yeah, so something like this. So we are going to replicate it. So the first thing is I'm going to bring in an image. Sorry, okay, so I can click it from either that side or this side, whichever one I choose works. So I'm going to open green forest folder, then I'm going to expand it, hero section first. So this is how the hero section looks like. I'm going to import it. I just hope this thing comes in without the size issue, because I know that Behance might have issues with the size. Maybe the size is too big. Okay, it's coming in. Let's see. So I'm going to wait for that to load, and while I'm waiting, I'll just come here and come and copy what this person has written here, and just normally you're supposed to see that right on, but because I don't want this video to be longer than this, so I just want to copy what they have written and just make it look a bit better for mine. Sorry, reset this. So I have a project idea. I'm available for new project. Yes, so I have to change the email to mine. Then the Telegram, I don't know. I do not have a Telegram channel, so this is good enough. Alright, so we have been able to upload the first one, which is the hero section. So we are going to go with the next section, which is this second one, which is section 1. So I'm going to just come here and click media. I'm going to click section 1, which is this one. It's just like this. So while I'm waiting for this one to upload, I'll just start adding the other sections one by one, and so that I don't have to wait too much. Section 3. Section 4. Alright, so I've uploaded all the images and I'm waiting for them to just finish processing, and once they're done, we are good to go. Right, and I noticed that at the end of this presentation, they also have another call to action. So that is a good thing to put in your presentations too on Behance. You need to have a call to action so that you never can tell, just in case someone wants to reach out to you, they are able to reach out to you easily. So I'm going to change this email to mine. Then I'm just going to remove every other one and just leave my email there, and that's it. That will be it. So after this point, all you have to do is to just click on continue. So now it might ask you to put your thumbnail. So I want to add a thumbnail, or I might decide to let this hero section be my thumbnail, which is the whole point of even separating it from the whole body of the presentation. So since we already have it, we can use it as a thumbnail. So we are going to give it a title. So we can say green forest landing page design. Then tags, you can put tags like web design, web design, landing page, maybe landing page design. Just put as many tags as you like. Figma design, I think you can put up to 10, so I've added 4. Then you also see other tags that are suggested for you, so you can use them. Website, anyone that applies, So most of the time when you put these tags, you are just trying to give yourself visibility from it, because the tags will help it's just going to be like a way for your design to rank when people search for when people use keywords to search on Behance. So we can come to this place and say we are going to select UI UX and done. Then the tool that was used, Figma is the tool. So we select Figma and that's it. Visibility, everyone. So once we have done that, that's pretty much all. Then we publish. So once I click publish, it takes some seconds and that's it. The design is live. Then you can get the link, you can share it. If you go to your profile, if I go to my profile now, I'm going to find the design there. As you can see, that's it. So that's it. That's how you can upload your designs on Behance. If you have any question on this video, use the comment section. I'm going to reply to it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share the video. And if you enjoy the contents of this channel, you can support the channel by subscribing. So that will be it for this video, and I will see you in the very next.